Are you looking to transform your backyard into the perfect summer retreat? Above-ground pools are an excellent way to bring the fun of swimming into your house without the burden of permanent construction. Whether you want a family-friendly splash zone, a sophisticated pool for sunbathing, or a large party setting, there's something for everyone's lifestyle and backyard space. Today's above-ground pools are more adaptable and reliable than ever, with quick setup folding pools and durable steel frame designs that will last season after season. In this video, we'll look at some of the greatest options for balancing durability, convenience, and fun. Are you ready to review with us? Let's count down the best above-ground pools to brighten your summer days. Number 7. Intex 26719EH Prism Frame Premium Above Ground. If you want a pool that is both long-lasting and simple to set up, the Intex Prism Frame Premium Above Ground Pool can be the answer. At 14 feet wide and 42 inches deep, it provides plenty of room to splash around, cool off, and enjoy summer evenings without taking up the entire backyard. One of the most significant advantages is the rapid setup time. It's designed to be ready for water in less than an hour. The frame is made of powder-coated steel and cleverly built T-joints, which not only make assembly easy but also help keep the structure durable and resistant to rust. The pool's substance is another feature. It's made of 3-ply puncture-resistant PVC and can withstand active children floaties and the occasional splash war. In addition, a repair patch is given in case anything goes wrong. Along with the durability, Intex features a cartridge filter pump capable of pushing 1,000 gallons per hour. This hydro-aeration technology improves water circulation and clarity and makes the water feel even fresher. Of course, there are certain trade-offs. While the pool is strong, its above-ground design means it will not provide the same long-term durability as an in-ground installation. You'll also need to perform routine maintenance to keep the water sparkling clean. On the plus side, the design is clever, the size strikes a good mix between family fun and management, and the rust-resistant frame ensures you'll be able to use it for many years. Number 6. Bestway APX 365 Rectangular Above-Ground Swimming Pool. If you want to turn your backyard into a miniature water park, the Bestway APX 365 Rectangular Above-Ground Pool is a strong option. This pool, which measures more than 31 feet long, 16 feet wide, and 52 inches deep, is practically a garden centerpiece. With a massive capacity of approximately 14,000 gallons, it provides ample area for swimming laps, having pool parties, or simply floating around on a hot afternoon. The strong construction of this pool distinguishes it from others. The galvanized steel frame with Click Connect connectors resists corrosion while also making setup simple and robust. Combined with this Tri-Tech liner, designed to be significantly harder than normal PVC, it's built to take the splashes, dives, and joyful turmoil that come with family fun. Another significant advantage is its Polar Shield technology, which allows this pool to remain open year-round without being affected by changing weather conditions. It's a huge benefit for anyone who doesn't want to deal with the trouble of frequent setup and takedown. In terms of convenience, Bestway supplies everything you need in one package: a 2200 GPH sand filter pump, filtration balls, a ladder, a pool cover, and even an emergency repair patch. Of course, with such a large pool, you'll need to keep up with maintenance, and finding enough room in your yard may be difficult. However, if you have the space, the pool's durability, size, and supplied accessories make it an excellent choice for both relaxation and serious summer enjoyment. Number 5. Sunrio Rectangular Above Ground. If you want a simple yet dependable way to bring the fun of a pool into your backyard, the Sunrio Rectangular Above-Ground Swimming Pool is an excellent choice. It's a little over 8 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 26 inches deep, making it ideal for kids to splash around while also providing adults with enough space to cool off. With a 600-gallon capacity, it strikes an ideal combination between room and ease of keep-up. One of the pool's best features is its versatility. It's spacious enough for family play or small gatherings while remaining compact enough to fit into modest yards. The folding steel frame allows for speedy assembly, and when the summer is gone, it's easy to take down and store. The design is also functional. Sunrio uses high-quality steel that is not only sturdy, but also rust and weather-resistant, extending the pool's life across numerous seasons. Of course, like with every product, there are trade-offs. Its size is ideal for convenience, but it may feel limiting if you're seeking a pool where you can swim laps. Also, because it's a smaller, more portable pool, it won't be as durable or sturdy as larger framed ones. That being said, the ease of building, solid construction, and family-friendly design make it a wonderful choice for those who seek affordable backyard fun without too much commitment. Number 4. Intex 28279EH Rectangular Frame. This pool is all about making summer fun easy and stress-free. The setup is surprisingly simple thanks to the included ground cloth and clever composite T-joint design that lets the frame pieces click together without the usual struggle. In just about 45 minutes, it's ready to be filled with water. Once full, the pool measures an impressive 14 feet in diameter with a depth of 33 inches, giving plenty of room for the whole family to splash around and cool off. It holds up to 1,883 gallons of water, which makes it the perfect size for hours of fun while escaping the summer heat. Durability is another highlight of this pool. It's crafted from tough 3-ply PVC material that resists punctures and the wear and tear of active play, and it even comes with a patch kit for quick fixes if needed. The composite T-joints not only make assembly easier but also provide a watertight seal that prevents rust from forming inside the pipes, while their UV-resistant build ensures the pool can handle all kinds of weather. To keep the water fresh and inviting, the crystal clear filtration pump is included. This system delivers 530 gallons per hour and uses hydro-aeration technology to improve circulation, enhance clarity, and create a refreshing swimming experience. All of these features come together to make this pool a reliable, long-lasting, and enjoyable centerpiece for summertime fun. Number 3. Intex Metal Frame Rectangle Above Ground Pool. The Intex Ultra XTR rectangular frame pool set is built for anyone who wants a serious summer upgrade. Its sleek rectangular shape makes it a great fit for narrow backyards and is perfect for everything from casual swims to pool games and even laps. The frame is made from high-quality galvanized steel, reinforced with a precision-engineered locking system and protected with inner and outer powder coating to keep rust away. Setup is refreshingly straightforward. This pool can be ready for water in just about 60 minutes, giving more time to actually enjoy it. The gray outer liner and blue tile print inner liner add a clean, classic look that blends style with function. Everything needed for a complete pool experience is included: a strong pool ladder, ground cloth, debris cover, and the powerful crystal clear 110 to 120 volt sand filter pump that pushes 1,200 gallons per hour. The sand filter is designed to save both time and money. No more constantly buying filters, just simple routine backwashing, with sand replacement needed only once every 5 years. Hydro-aeration technology enhances circulation, filtration, and water clarity while improving the feel of the water itself. Altogether, this set combines durability, convenience, and style, giving families and friends a reliable way to beat the heat and enjoy endless summer fun. For best results, the pool requires flat, level ground, and homeowners should check HOA guidelines before installation. Number 2. Funsicle Metal Frame Round Above Ground Pool. The Funsicle 10-foot by 30-inch outdoor activity round swimming pool is designed to bring both relaxation and fun to the backyard. It's just the right size for small families, offering plenty of space to soak up the sun, cool off, or even get in some refreshing water workouts. The pool is simple to set up, poles snap together with lock pins, making the assembly quick and hassle-free so the focus stays on swimming instead of building. With a durable metal frame and 3-ply tough mesh materials, it's built to resist punctures and last through many seasons of splashing and play. Its classic round design makes it versatile enough for unwinding, family bonding, or energetic pool games. Keeping the water clean and sparkling is easy with the included 110 to 120 volt Skimmer Plus SFX 330 filter pump. This system combines a powerful filter with a built-in skimmer, efficiently circulating and cleaning the water while attaching neatly to the sidewall for added safety. This pool is ideal for kids, adults, or the whole family to enjoy together. Whether the goal is a quiet afternoon float or lively summer gatherings, this pool offers a safe, reliable, and fun environment for everyone. For households with HOA rules, it's important to confirm if above-ground pools are permitted before installation. With its durability, convenience, and all-in-one features, this pool makes a perfect addition to outdoor summer activities and celebrations. Number 1. Bestway Power Steel Oval Above Ground Pool. If you want a pool that is durable, elegant, and space-efficient, the Bestway Powder Steel Oval Above Ground Pool is an excellent choice. It measures 14 feet long, 8 feet wide, and approximately 40 inches deep, giving families enough room to splash, float, and relax without taking up too much garden space. Its oval design is very handy because it feels spacious yet requires less water and setup space than a round pool of the same length. One of its most notable properties is its durability. The sides are made of Bestway Tri-Tech material, which consists of 3 layers, a polyester mesh core sandwiched between heavy-duty PVC. This not only protects the pool from punctures and abrasions, but also helps it maintain its form over time. The steel frame is corrosion-resistant and reinforced with a seal and lock system, which secures everything while making installation easier. In fact, you can set up the pool in about 30 minutes without the use of any additional tools. The interior design is also an appealing feature. The liner has a realistic mosaic print that gives the water a more pleasant, resort-like appearance. Along with the pool, you receive useful extras such as a filter pump to keep the water clean, a ladder for safe entry and departure, and a ChemConnect dispenser to guarantee chlorine is uniformly dispersed throughout. However, while the size is ideal for families, it is not large enough for serious lap swimming. Maintenance is still required to keep the water crystal clear. Overall, the mix of durability, smart design, and supplied accessories make this pool a dependable and enjoyable option for backyard summers. And there you have it, the top above-ground pools that will transform any backyard into a summer oasis. From compact foldable designs to heavy-duty steel-framed construction, there's something for every location and every type of pool day. Whether you're looking for simple family fun or a party centerpiece, these options show that you don't need an in-ground pool to create endless summer memories. Which one would you prefer for your backyard? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Legit Pick for more honest evaluations and top recommendations that will make your life easier.